that a flower? You want me to hold it? Okay. Alright, you ready to walk? Okay, let's keep walking. See? You can put that on the ground. Good job. Alright, let's walk. Let's march. March, march, march. What is that? I think it's garbage. So we leave that. We can keep walking. Let's go. You want to smell the flowers? Yeah, you gotta leave those flowers there. Look, we have some flowers, see? Okay, let's walk. Walk, walk, walk.